All right, let's talk about a dirty secret in employer branding. You do not need to be the best employer. You just need to be the most choosable. Yes, choosable. As in, a candidate looks at all their different options and they say, I choose that one. I want to be involved with that company. Being the best is a losing game. You can't outpay Google and Facebook. You can't outperk Airbnb. You can't outcool whatever startup's offering kombucha on tap. It's not a game you're going to win. But choosable? That's a whole different play. Think about it. Candidates aren't picking from every company ever. They're picking amongst the ones that make sense to them, their skills, their values, their life stage, what they want now. Your job? Make sure that they see themselves in your company before they ever hit apply. Maybe you're the right choice for the person who wants work-life balance. Maybe you're the rocket for someone who really wants to perform at a high level. Maybe your team just generally enjoys working together. It makes for a really satisfying work experience. Whatever it is, own it, repeat it, say it, make it insanely obvious. Because if your employer brand is, we pay pretty well and we offer some nice snacks and we're super friendly, I guess, you're in trouble because you aren't choosable, you're forgettable. And forgettable companies, they're the ones that get ghosted, not just by candidates, but by employees. Being choosable means knowing who you're for and who you're not for. It means making your differentiated value so clear, so compelling, that not only do candidates choose you, they want to choose you.